Hello friends, welcome to Creative Medicine. In this lecture, we will learn about characteristic features of superficial burns are all except. In superficial burns, there is damage no deeper than papillary dermis. Here in superficial burns, blisters are seen and there will be loss of epidermis in superficial burns. Pin prick is actually, it is painful in superficial burns. Pin prick is painful in superficial burns. So this is false. In superficial burns, that is for epidermal burns, there is formation of blister is present here, not absent. Okay. And because of application of heat, there will be formation of blister which is covered by pale epidermis and it contains fluid with proteins. And here pin prick is very painful. There is loss of epidermis with singeing of hair. There is no damage to papillary dermis. Thank you and thank you for watching.